So now that we have some basic shapes, let's discuss organization. You may end up with an overwhelming amount of layers, and being able to sort through them quickly will save you a lot of time and frustration later. If you already know you want multiple expressions or outfits, for instance, naming your layers accurately can prevent having to sort through all of your images to find the correct one. Now that our basic shapes are exported, we will create a new character in Honk. After we have downloaded and unzipped Honk, inside that folder is another folder called Character. If we open this up, we should find the default avatars as well as a .bat file named MakeNewCharacter. Before we move on, go ahead and create a folder called Backup to drag all of your default avatars to. The fewer characters Honk has to load, the faster it will go, so it's good to load no more than 3 characters at a time. Now, run the .bat called MakeNewCharacter. Opening the folder that we just made, we see a folder named Images, which is where all of the layers will go, and a character.json file, which stores the instructions for the layers. I will talk more about this file in part 4, while we are rigging. Before opening Honk, we need to make sure our layers are appropriately named. If you rename layers after adding them, you will need to add them again, so try to get it right the first time. The layers are sorted numerical, then alphabetical. If you need more than the default 5 layers, I recommend planning ahead. This is what one of my more complicated avatars looks like as an example. Note that I have left space between layers and on top for future accessories or hats. Later, when assigning mouth or blink animation, you will only be able to see about a dozen characters of the layer's name, so you may need to abbreviate. For expressions, I've shortened angry to A to make it easier to find. Next, we finally get to bring your avatar to life.